He almost ignored the old man. Just $5. That's all it was. But that $5 changed 2 lives. It was a cold evening. People were walking fast. No one stopped. The old man sitting on the sidewalk, thin jacket, shaking hands, hungry eyes. Most people looked away. But Daniel stopped. He checked his wallet. Only $5 left. He needed it for coffee tomorrow. For a moment, he hesitated. Then he gave it. No speech, no video, no selfie, just kindness. The old man looked at him. I was not hungry for food. I was hungry for respect. The next week, job interview. The manager smiled. I remember you. That old man was my father. Kindness always returns. A week later, he walked into the interview, still thinking about the man on the street. And then, the manager looked at him in a way Daniel would never forget. He said softly, "You helped my father last week." Daniel froze. That old man was the manager's father. The same $5. The same act of kindness. That day, Daniel learned something powerful. Kindness always returns, often in ways we can't predict, and sometimes it changes lives forever.